Are you wondering if YouTube TV supports multiple users in one household? It's a great question, especially for families or roommates who want to share a single subscription. In this video, I'll explain how YouTube TV handles multiple users and what features are available. Let's dive in. Yes, YouTube TV allows multiple users under one account, making it perfect for households with different viewing preferences. Each subscription lets you create up to 6 individual profiles, and each profile comes with its own personalized settings, recommendations, and DVR library. This means everyone can enjoy their favorite shows without interfering with someone else's preferences. Plus, YouTube TV supports up to 3 simultaneous streams, so multiple people can watch at the same time on different devices. However, keep in mind that the service is designed for a single household. Sharing your account with people outside your home violates the terms of service. If this video helped you understand how multiple users work on YouTube TV, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!